Skyfold Classic is a custom-manufactured, fully automatic, rigid, flat retractable acoustic partitioning system that is sure to revolutionize the way you design and work with your space. The Skyfold Classic is stored in the ceiling. No floor or wall tracks are required, and there are no side storage pockets, allowing for more efficient use of space. Silent and completely automatic, you can reconfigure your space in minutes with a simple turnkey operation. No manual labor is necessary. What used to take hours or even days is now achieved in minutes. The Skyfold Classic line of products have exceptional acoustic performance. With an STC rating as high as 60, adjacent spaces can be used for quiet lectures and lively parties simultaneously. The Classic doors can be configured to meet at 90 degrees, providing you with even more flexibility for better space management. The Skyfold Classic is ideal for stepped or sloped floors, or any combination of the two that are typically found in auditoriums or academic environments. The Classic product range is available in a wide array of finishes. With no visible hinges or hardware, they are sure to meet all your aesthetic design needs. They are lightweight and exert a static load, which typically results in a considerable saving on structural steel. It can be scaled to fit unlimited lengths with a vertical height of up to 36 feet. Skyfold Classic is the most innovative powerlifting partition system on the market today.